This allows us to create truly unique and groundbreaking designs that are sure to impress. In addition to our expertise in Peb Design and Scon Design, we also offer a range of other services to meet all of your design needs. From architectural planning and interior design to project management and construction oversight, we have you covered every step of the way. Our team is experienced in working on projects of all sizes and complexities, so you can trust that we have the skills and knowledge to bring your vision to life. So why wait? Contact our Peb Designers in Narasapura today and let us turn your dreams into reality. With our expertise, innovation, and dedication to excellence, you can rest assured that your project will be in good hands. Whether you're looking for a complete building design or just need assistance with a specific aspect of your project, we are here to help. Trust the best Peb Designers in Narasapura for all of your design needs. Another reason why Scon Design is the preferred choice for Peb Designs in Narasapura is their commitment to sustainability. They prioritize eco-friendly construction practices and use energy-efficient materials. This not only reduces the carbon footprint but also helps clients save on energy costs in the long run. Scon Design firmly believes in creating a greener future through their Peb designs. When you choose Scon Design as your Peb Designers in Narasapura, you can expect nothing less than excellence. Their attention to detail, commitment to quality, and dedication to customer satisfaction are unmatched. With their expertise and innovative approach, they can transform your vision into reality. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? In conclusion, if you are looking for Peb Designers in Narasapura, look no further than Scon Design. With their exceptional designs, commitment to innovation, customization options, and sustainability focus, they are the leading choice for Peb Designs in Narasapura. Don't compromise on quality or settle for mediocre designs when you can have the best with Scon Design. Contact them today and experience the difference they can make in your construction project.